Journey to the End of the Earth by Tishani Doshi. I never imagined I would one day find myself standing in Antarctica, the coldest, driest, and windiest continent on Earth. Yet there I was, wrapped in thermal layers, surrounded by nothing but ice, sky, and silence. The journey had begun 2 weeks earlier from Madras, Chennai, India, and took me across continents, to Cape Town, and finally aboard a Russian research ship called the Academic Shokalsky. Arrival in Antarctica. As we neared the icy shore, a strange stillness surrounded us. The Antarctic landscape was like no other. Endless white, surreal silence, no trees, no cities, just massive glaciers and towering icebergs floating like sculptures. I felt small, insignificant, and humbled. But more than that, I felt a connection to the past and to the future, a glimpse into Earth's history. Antarctica wasn't always like this. Millions of years ago, it was part of a supercontinent called Gondwana, a giant landmass that included India, South America, Africa, and Australia. Back then, Antarctica was lush and green, full of forests and life. But over millions of years, tectonic plates shifted, Gondwana broke apart, and Antarctica drifted to the South Pole, freezing over. Today, it's a frozen time capsule, a place that holds secrets about Earth's geological history and clues about where we're headed. Climate change and warning signs. Being in Antarctica was like standing at Earth's warning station. Here, the effects of climate change are most visible and most alarming. Ice sheets are melting, sea levels are rising, tiny shifts in temperature are having huge effects. The continent may look lifeless, but it's incredibly sensitive. One small imbalance here could ripple across the planet, affecting everything from ocean currents to weather patterns. I was part of a program called Students on Ice, a unique educational journey that brings young minds to Antarctica to learn about science, sustainability, and global citizenship. Watching teenagers interact with penguins, whales, and glaciers, I felt a new sense of hope. They were learning not from books, but from life itself, in a classroom made of ice and sky. It was a powerful reminder: you can't protect what you don't understand. Lessons from a waddle of penguins. Even the penguins had something to teach us. They walk in groups, helping each other survive. They don't leave waste, they live in harmony with nature. In contrast, human behavior often seems selfish and destructive. Here, in this untouched wilderness, I began to question the way we live and the kind of future we're building. Reflections. Standing on the deck of our ship, surrounded by miles of frozen silence, I thought, to understand the present and protect the future, we must look at the past. Antarctica may seem far away, but it's deeply connected to all of us. Its story is our story, of survival, change, and hope. If we can learn from this icy continent, maybe, just maybe, we can save our fragile planet. Climate change is real and urgent. Antarctica helps us understand Earth's history and future. We must act responsibly to protect the planet. Education and awareness are key to change.